Hi, you won't believe this. USCIS is expecting to change the rule of unlawful presence. This is really a good news to a lot of people who have a violation of the status record. So what is unlawful presence? So whenever you enter US legally, you will be issued an I-94 record at the CBP. On your I-94 record, you will see expiration date on that record. So that's the date you are allowed to legally stay in the United States. If you stay past that date without changing your status or extending your status in the United States, you are accumulating unlawful presence in the United States. So if unlawful presence is over 180 days, you cannot enter US for 3 years. Over 1 year, you cannot enter US for 10 years. So we call that 3 or 10 year bar. So under current law, this 3 or 10 year has to be spent outside of US before you can reapply another visa to enter US. However, USCIS just announced that it is expecting to change that rule. Before you satisfy 3 or 10 years bar, outside of US, if you happen to have a legal visa, you can enter US. The time you spend in the US could become towards the 3 or 10 years, which means you don't need to spend those 3 or 10 years outside of the US. You can come to the US and reunite with your family and satisfy the 3 or 10 years bar. Remember, you still need to wait for 3 or 10 years, but the wait does not need to be outside the US right now. So we're still waiting for the USCIS official announcement for this new rule and the detailed procedure. So stay tuned with our channel. We're going to update you with this rule. Thank you.